This is just a different atmosphere. Oh, it's beautiful down here. I mean, the 10,000 Islands that starts at Marco and goes south from there.
It's a day on the water like any other near the 10,000 Islands of Southwest Florida.
Move to Naples, you'll see dolphin.
The sun is beating down, the water is calm, and the mangrove forest that line the shore seem to stretch on forever.
We got dolphins right ahead of us.
The dolphins gleefully play in the boat's wake.
Wake up and see dolphins every morning. There's nothing better than that.
Yet as the waves roll up on the shore, something special is waiting to be discovered.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's rare.
That something is a seashell.
Yeah, that's why I like this beach too, because you can find a lot of different shells.
You have the nice colorful purple shells, scallops, conchs, whelks. Oh, here's a good one I found.
A treasure in the sand. And we were on the pursuit along with Captain Evan and Captain Paul of the Sand Dollar Shelling Tour.
Go right over there.
Did I miss something? Oh.
We provide more than just a shelling adventure. We're out on a gorgeous shelling boat. We're close to the water. Dolphins come up to the boat almost within reach. Lots of fresh air, fresh oxygen. The sun's hitting us.
Came down here, we were tired, and I was playing a lot of golf, and my wife was like, "You're playing too much golf." So I've been around boats my whole life, and she was like, "Why don't you see if there's a job for boating?" I love when people see dolphin for the first time.
Right there. Yeah.
Dolphin were so close, big pot all around us, and the mom actually turned and she said, "This is the greatest experience we've had as a family so far."
I was in the car business for probably about close to 30 years. This is definitely very different than what we did.
People come from all over the country, even the world, to experience the thrill of the hunt.
What do we got?
Olive.
Once you catch the shelling bug, it can be obsessive and competitive.
I'm very picky, Scott.
Uh-huh.
I've got a ton of shells at home. The elusive Junonia. Yeah, this is a great one.
You don't find it, the Junonia finds you.
Yeah.
Deep water shell that's about 150 miles offshore.
Okay.
So for that traveled 150 miles to get to this beach.
The great thing about shelling is even if you don't find anything right away, or even if you don't find anything at all, you get to experience this beautiful sunset and fresh air.
As the sun sets on our tour, we reflect on the day.
Oh, this has been great. People love the sunsets.
Yeah.
I think the captains enjoy the sunset too. I get a text from them after, and they're like, "Just saw the perfect sunset."
Yeah.
And it's almost every night.
And remember, finding a rare seashell is not just about the thrill of the hunt, but about the sense of connection it brings. A reminder that there are still secrets and wonders waiting to be discovered, and that the world is full of surprises for those who are willing to look.
Really nothing better.
No.